we here tonight, we gather in here tonight to speak to you again about the clinic, about the free clinic happening on Friday night from 5 to 6 registration. And then the doctor will come later and he does the examinations and take care of all the patient. Whatever they need, they be taken care of. And you heard from us before about this, but we have to remind you again, it's on Friday night, and please tell your friends and the people you attached with, and we need volunteers, and tell them to call the office of Dr. Maloney and tell them they want to be volunteers, and I give you the number. It's 914-381-2091, and call after 7 o'clock at night, because they will answer very quickly and take care of your answer and questions, because the patient will be done by then. So tell your friends and to call and to be ready to say we want to volunteer for the free clinic, St. Rita's free clinic. We have 6 nurses, top, and they will take care of all injection people need. And we have a couple of women take care of the nurses. They take the blood and they keep it, send it back to the lab later to be examined, and we get the result the next day at night. And we have 2 other nurses, registration, taking care of the patient, ask them about their name and their address. This way we can establish a file for them. And so that's for the clinic. But I'm going to add something to that, because next month is December. And Dr. Maloney, as he loved that very much, to have a Christmas party. Every year he does have the Christmas party right in front of his building, his office. And he has the music in his truck playing loud, the Christmas music. So the kids come there with their mothers, no matter what age they are. They come in, they start from top north of the office, from 1 block away, and keep coming down and receive their gift and for the Christmas. And they all excited. It's well known now, Dr. Maloney's Christmas party. Everybody knows that. Then we give him the gifts and we tell him, please, when you get to the end where the office is, just say thank you to Dr. Maloney. Merry Christmas and God bless you. And I hope I see you next year and the year after and the year after. This party has been on every year. We got 1 year, goes back to 3 years ago, we got 3,000 people, kids with their parents collecting the gift for the Christmas. Last year, we got 1,200 of the children. And they come in, they're smiling, they looking very happy. And the dress for the cold, if it's cold out or not, they come with the hat and the gloves and the shawls and everything. So we welcome them every year to come in and collect their gifts. And don't forget, we need a volunteer to come help us. And if you go shopping and you see something nice the kids will like, if you can purchase, will be very kind of you to let us know. 1 gift, 2 gifts, whatever you can. If you can bring it to the office of Dr. Maloney, we'll appreciate that very much. If you cannot do that, you just leave a message in the office with Nancy or whoever answered the phone. And then we send somebody to pick it up and bring it here. This is very important. So I spoke for a while. I'm going to give you the teacher next to me, and she's a wonderful person. She does everything right, no matter what. So,
They've got a lot more talking to do.
yes, we will come back and talk to you more. When Nancy stops talking, I will talk to you more. He's Debbie now. We'll come back.
Thanks, Samir. So it's just me and you tonight, right? This
Yes.
is the Debbie and Samir show.
Right,
We're going to be talking to you for the next half an hour.
exactly right.
Normally we have Nancy with us, but she's not available tonight, and we were hoping to get other volunteers to come and talk as well, but they weren't available. So it's just me and Samir, the regulars, right?
We're regulars, exactly.
So my name's Debbie, and this is Samir, my friend Samir, and we're regulars. We're volunteers at the St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic. I've been doing it for almost 10 years. Samir, how long have you been volunteering at the clinic?
I was over 17 years already.
Over 17 years.
Yes.
Right, so that's a long time. So we're like part of the
We are
fixture.
part of the whole operation.
Yeah, we're part of the furniture.
Yeah, yeah.
And we give up our time every Friday to volunteer at the St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic because it really is a good cause. Dr. Maloney gives up his time to treat people who don't have health insurance, who can't afford health insurance, or for any reason are unable to get it. So this cause is a really good cause, and it's for people who, whatever's wrong with you, whatever you need, you can come to St. Rita's Free Medical Clinic every Friday night, and Dr. Maloney is there to take good care of you. Samir and I are there every Friday. It's open from 5 till 6. And we ask you to be there at 5 o'clock just to register. Registration doesn't take very long. It's 5 minutes max. We just ask for a few demographics like your name, address, telephone number, just, in case we need to get in touch with you for some reason. We never ask for any money. No money is involved at all. So we don't ask if you have health insurance. That's not a problem. So anybody can come. Anybody is welcome. No one is ever turned away. So if you need help, if you need antibiotics, or if you need blood work, or if you're just feeling a little bit under the weather and need to see a doctor, then please come along on a Friday night from 5 to 6, and we'll be there to register and to look after you. We also give vaccinations, so if your children need vaccinations so that they can continue going to school, we provide them as well. So whatever you need, vaccinations, blood work, antibiotics, anything you need, just come along to the clinic, 5 till 6 every Friday night, and Samir and I will be there to help you out.
Take care.
To take care of you, exactly. What do you do exactly at the... Samir does a lot. He's like you're like in charge of the clinic. You set everything up, don't you? Make sure everything's okay and...
Well, I make sure all the nurses gets what they need, from injections, from all the blood vials to be ready for them when they come, and we make sure everything is in order. And the door, I'll take care of opening and closing everything, because the Reverend Hank is a good rep for us, and he gave us the place to use, and we promise him we'll take care of the place as a clean and everything for the kids to play with, all their toys not to be touched. Everything is belong to the church, and that's why we keep our promise. And when everybody comes in, we'll be told, please just have a seat. The chairs will be ready for you. And here's a number. We give them number from 1 to 20.
Yeah.
And then when we call you up, you come back, and we take care of whatever your needs are. So back to Dr. Maloney's. Everybody in the friendly village of Mamaroneck loved Dr. Maloney. He was honored by the Commerce Department in the village, and he's loved by the police department, by the fire department, and they know December is the party for Dr. Maloney.
Oh, yeah.
So they come, they take care of the traffic, they take care of a street, what to let them go and pass and be in the right, no accident, that going 5-10 miles an hour, and the fire department bring the trucks, put the lights on, and the kids will never believe it. They're very excited. It's like there's a fire outside. Then we tell them, no, there's no fire. This is for you. We love for you to enjoy it and have good time. And then you collect a bag full of toys.
Brand new toys.
Yeah, new toys. And believe it or not, more than one toy is in that bag.
Yeah.
And when I remember when I was a little kid, one toy more than enough for me. I got so excited. There's only one toy. Can you manage those kids getting a bag full of toys? It's absolutely beautiful. And everything behind that is Dr. Maloney and the thinking he does about it and whatever. We cannot forget that. I know Dr. Maloney for over 17 years. I was in the clinic with him. We moved from one place to another. We make sure everything is in order. And he was honored by the village, by the friendly village of Mamaroneck. Everybody says, Dr. Maloney, Dr. Maloney. They all love him. They all really for him. And I wish he can run for the mayor or the office or any big place here. He will win by landslide.
Yeah.
This is a fact.
Yeah, I would.
So we back again to the Christmas party. Is going to be in December 16 at in the front of his office. And please start at 6. Do not come before 6. Do not start making lines and talking loud and things like that. Just keep it cool and come from 6 on, and then you'll be happy you're here because the gifts will be waiting for you. Now, again, I'm going to repeat what I said before. If you really love those kids and love like you have some kids and you understand where I'm coming from, the office is open all the time. You can drop a toy, two bags of toys. We will love it if you can do that. You go shopping for your own children, and you feel good to buy some toys for our children in the clinic over here, and the parents will be very happy. And please don't forget, call up this phone number I'm gonna give you. And it's 914-381-2091. And after 7 o'clock at night, somebody will answer here. Always somebody will pick up the phone and give you direction how to get here and tell you, thank you very much. And if you cannot make it, just tell me where you live, and we will send somebody to pick the gifts up. And on the clinic is on Friday night, as we said before, from 5 to 6. And it's registration. All the people are very happy to help in the clinic. All the nurses, everybody there is ready to help and able to do the job of free, of no payment to anybody. We all volunteer. I say that again, volunteer. Nobody and no payment is done. We all love Dr. Maloney, and we do it for him. And he's a fantastic doctor. You come, and he'll take a look at you, and he will examine your blood. He looked at you, and he tell you, this, that, whatever you have. I have the medicine here for you, you can have. Or I send you someplace, you'll be taken care of. So just understand, he's there for you, and we are there for you also. So I'm going to put my friend Debbie again. I can't function without her. Here you go.
Thank you, Samir. So I'm just going to speak a little bit more about the Christmas party that Dr. Maloney hosts every year in December. As you can see at the clinic here, we're starting to get festive already. We've got Christmas trees up and decorations. And I'm in red,
Right.
and you're in green.
Exactly.
So we're getting really festive.
I'm ready for St. Patrick's too, I guess, with the green stuff.
Yeah, look.
But every holiday is good holiday, no matter what and where. But our is the Christmas here.
Yeah.
Dr. Maloney loves it. He breathed it. And we got to take care of this for him.
Yeah, but we mustn't forget also why he does it. I mean, he does it for the needy children.
Exactly.
There's a lot of needy children in the community, and they don't just come from Mamaroneck, they come all over the place. Sometimes they come as far as Connecticut, as far as from the Bronx. One year we even got 3,000 children. 1 year, right?
Yes, yes.
So we never know how many children are going to show up, but we always get at least 1,000 children every year. And these kids are needy kids, you know. It's really sad, but these kids have nothing. And I mean, 1 year I remember, when I came to volunteer at the Christmas party, a family turned up with about 3 kids, and it was snowing, it was freezing cold, and they didn't even have winter coats. But they came because, they need to.
Some people don't have it.
No. So these kids are in need. They're very needy children. So Dr. Maloney provides toys for them because for most of these kids, it's the only Christmas they're going to get. Every child deserves a Christmas. Every child deserves a toy at Christmas. So that's why Dr. Maloney does this, to provide toys for those in need. And like my friend Samir said, he doesn't give them just one brand new toy. They get a bag full of brand new toys. And they all come away with a big smile on their face, and they're so happy and content. And, for them, like I said, it's the only Christmas they're going to get this year. So it is really important to them. But we can't do this without your help. We always need donations. So if you could find it in your heart to donate a toy or two to the office, to Dr. Maloney's office, that would be a great help, and you'll be knowing that you'll be making one child very, very happy. Like my friend said, if you can't bring it to the office, call after 7 o'clock, and someone will be happy to come to your home to pick up your donation. Either me or my friend Samir will be happy to do that. But it's really important that we get donations, and the Christmas party is getting closer and closer. So it's really important that we have as many donations as possible. So even if you just contribute one present, that will help. If everyone contributes one present, then that's a great help. And just know that the children will be really, really grateful and really, really happy. And you'll be helping the child in need. Samir mentioned the fire department and the police department, who we always say big thank you to as well, because without them, we couldn't do the party, because with so many children multiplied by their parents, you can imagine how many people that is. And the fire department and the police department always do a wonderful job of keeping everyone safe and sound and making sure that there's never any accidents. And everything goes smoothly, doesn't it? And it's a really nice evening. And if you drive past Boston Post Road on December 16th, that's when we'll be hosting the party this year, you'll see Dr. Maloney's office all lit up, all decorated. He has people dressed as Santa in the windows singing. And I think you were Father Christmas one year, weren't you, Samir?
Yes.
So he has a few people, about 2 or 3 Santas in the window, singing.
Upstairs in the building.
Upstairs and downstairs.
And
then he has music, Christmas music.
Yes, and they all volunteers. The ladies loved it.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, I saw 2 of them 2 days ago, and she said, "What is the party?" I told her, "It's the 16th. And you're gonna come. You gotta dress, and you gotta do the job like you do it every year."
Yeah.
And they said yes.
They're going to come.
They will do it.
All
yes.
right. So that's on December the 16th at 6 o'clock. So like Samir said, please don't come before, but you can start coming at 6 o'clock. And it's important, it would help us a great deal if you could bring a big bag so that you can put all the toys in. That would be great.
Yes. Yes.
We do provide bags, but we don't have, we do run out towards the evening.
course.
So if you could bring a big bag yourself
Make it easy.
to put your toys in, that would be great. But anyway, as I was saying, it's really important that we get as many donations as possible. So if you could find it in your heart next time you go to a toy store, if you're picking up a gift for a grandchild or your child or a nephew or a niece, if you could pick up another toy for one of the children who needs it, then that would be really nice and we're really generous, and we thank you in advance. So just call the office, 914-381-2091, and after 7 o'clock, when all the patients have gone, and just tell us that you have a toy that you'd like to donate, but unfortunately you can't come to the office to drop it off, and one of us will come and pick it up for you. That's no problem, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
We're looking forward to this. We're looking forward for you to be generous,
Yeah.
and send us the toys and buy it if you can afford it, and you have somebody in your mind. You're gonna make one child happy. That's
Yeah.
good enough for you. It's good enough for me. Should be good enough
Just-
for you.
Exactly. And that's what Christmas is all about, really, when you think about it, isn't it? It's about giving. It's not just about receiving, it's about giving. So what better way than helping a child in need, making a child really happy?
Right, right.
So, right? I think that's
Well,
a wonderful thing that you can do.
yes, this is really nice of everybody to understand how we do this. We volunteer to do this. We help Dr. Maloney in his idea to have a free clinic at the church on Friday night. And it's a good idea because in these days, many people, many families really I don't have enough to have insurance, don't have enough to feed the kids. They do their best, but they need the help. If the help is around, they will come and take care of what's given to them. It's very important.
Yeah.
And the friendly village of Mamaroneck is a wonderful place. And Dr. Maloney chose to have his office and his clinic in Mamaroneck, and that is wonderful. The people loves it. As you tell them where it is, they go. You tell them where the party is, they come. You tell them to donate, they do. And for the clinic, if you want to send money to support the clinic, that will be fine also. And you know what the address is 144 East Boston Post Road. And the telephone number is 914-381-2091. And all you have to do, pick up the phone and call. All you have to do, if you really love to see a child with a big smile, when you buy your children something, include that child with your kids. You buy something for them and for him. And
Just one
Yes.
gift, and if everybody just brings one gift, then we'll have.
exactly one gift, multiply that by a lot of people,
Then that-
will do wonder
Yeah.
for the thing. Really appreciate it. And once again, we're going to talk about the police department. They are wonderful people.
Keeping
And
everybody safe.
yes, they talk about that, and they come in and they take care of the traffic.
Yeah.
They take care of the people. We have some lights for them. Everybody carries a light in his hand to make sure the people see those people who waited to collect their gift.
Yeah.
you know, it's, and they go slow, and some of them smile and say, God bless you guys, you know, and all that. So
Yeah.
really, it's a wonderful job. And the police department and the fire department, they all on the ball.
Oh,
They
yeah.
do everything.
Well, we
they
couldn't
need
do
to-
it without them, could we?
Exactly that. You know, we need them here.
So we say a big
And
thank you
some
to
of
them.
them
Yeah.
even come and help,
Yeah.
giving the gifts away to the kids. I remember one year, one of the trustees in the village came, and I know who he is, and he said, Samir, I'm here to help. I said, God bless you. Here, you stand right there, and the kids will be coming from up the avenue. You make sure you're strong enough, carry this bag, and give it to them,
Yeah.
and tell them to say, thank you to
Thank
Dr.
you to
Maloney.
Dr.
Merry
Maloney.
Christmas.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So if you do want to volunteer at the Christmas party, could just call on 914-381-2091. That would be great as well. And also, if you want to volunteer at the clinic, we're always looking for more volunteers. We always
Exactly.
need more volunteers. You don't need a medical experience. I don't have any medical background. I'm a teacher, and you don't have medical background, right?
No, I don't have that. No.
So you don't need medical background to be a volunteer. Just
But we follow his recommendation.
just follow
Dr.
his
Maloney.
recommendations, and that's it. Yeah. So the free medical clinic is between 5 and 6. And like I said before, it's for the people who don't have any health care. There's a lot of people in America who don't have health care. It's like 100.
Absolutely.
A lot of people, unfortunately. So, please take advantage of this service if you do need it. Come along to the clinic at 5 o'clock every Friday night, and we'll be there. No questions asked, no money asked. Just all we ask for is your name, address, and telephone number. That's a few demographics. Takes 5 minutes, and then you're good to go.
Absolutely.
And the Dr. Maloney, who's a wonderful doctor and physician, comes and he'll give you whatever you need. If you need blood work, if you need vaccinations for your children, or if you're just feeling under the weather and might need some antibiotics, then he will give you that. Whatever you need, no questions asked.
You come in sick and you leave well.
Yeah, exactly. And also with a smile on your face, because we have fun at the clinic, right, Samir?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
We
yes,
do enjoy it. We do enjoy volunteering,
Yes.
because otherwise we wouldn't have done it for so long.
We there every week.
Every Friday, rain or shine.
Exactly.
And it's and I don't know about you, but I feel good like volunteering and giving back to the community.
Me too. Otherwise, I wouldn't
I
do
know,
it.
exactly.
You know.
And Dr. Maloney is such a wonderful person as well. It's so nice to help him out.
Yes. You come to him and he analyzes you from top to bottom. He send you here, he send you there, and you're okay, man. There's no doubt about it.
Right,
God
exactly.
bless him.
Yeah,
I really mean it.
yeah. So anyway, I think we need to wrap it up now. I think we've had there's been the Debbie and Samir show for the past half an hour. Thank you for listening.
Tuesday night.
For Tuesday night.
3 more minutes.
And but before we go, I just want to remind you that it's November, coming up to the Christmas party very soon. We've already started getting festive in the office, right?
Yes.
So we
The lights are all over the place.
lights are all over the place. So seriously, we do need your donations to help the children in need for the Christmas party. So if you can please find it in your heart to bring in a toy which you think would make a child happy. Well, any toy will make them happy, right? Any toy.
I need toy, really.
I don't even know what toys are popular these days. I know when my children were young, they liked Thomas the Tank Engine and Buzz Lightyear.
All you
And
have to do, ask one kid someday, what is the famous toys this year for the kids to play? And he will tell you 20 of
I
them.
know, yeah.
We don't know because we passed that thing, but the kids will tell you.
But anyway, it doesn't even have to be one of the popular toys. Just anything, anything. Just
Exactly.
they'll be grateful for anything.
They will love it.
They'll love it.
Yes.
They don't even know what they're getting in their bag, but they're good toys.
They know the toys in there.
And they never go away disappointed.
No, Never go away disappointed.
No. So it doesn't have to be a popular toy. It doesn't have to be overly expensive. Just whatever you can find in your heart to donate would be wonderful. So if you can do that, just call the office. I'll just say the number one more time. I don't have it memorized like you. 914
381
381
2091.
2091. Call after 7 o'clock. Our friend Nancy will be there every day after 7 when all the patients have gone and she's less.
Sometimes she stays 1 and 7.
But she'll be there and to take the call and so like I said before, if you're unable to bring the toy to the office, then just let Nancy know and she'll arrange for either me or Samir to go and pick it up from wherever you live.
Absolutely.
So it's really important for the donations to start coming now, and you'll be making a child very happy indeed. There's a lot of children in need in the community. And, I mean, this Christmas party, I think, started off about 25 years ago with just a few children and a few toys.
Still talking about
But
they
it's-
grow up, they're big boys, but they still want to know where the Christmas
They
party.
still talk
It's
about
still
it, yeah.
there. Yes, it is there.
But it's slightly bigger than what it
And
was
some of-
25 years ago.
Right, and some of them are married and have kids, so they bring their kids.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
they come. And it's really...
So, I mean, we get at least 1,000 children every year, at
Yes,
least.
We got 1,200 last
Yeah.
year.
So, I mean, I can't emphasize enough how important your donations are.
Very important.
Yeah. So, I thank you in advance for your donation, and I'm sure you'll be happy to know you'll be making a child very happy indeed as well. Be giving them their only Christmas probably.
Yes, yes. So, what we got there, Nance?
So do you want to? So anyway, we'll wrap it up now. So thank you so much for listening to the Debbie and Samir show. It's been a pleasure to talk to you, and thank you so much for listening. Do you want to say thank you and goodbye, Samir?
Yes, yes. I have to say what my friend Debbie says. Thank you very much for everything. I really appreciate everything you can do for us. We are the guide of the children, and we love them. And Dr. Maloney, 10 times fold, he loves the children more than us. And he always wants to have that party. He works on it, and we're willing to help him and be volunteers. But anybody wants to be a volunteer for the Christmas party, to give us a hand, please call 914
You want to say it together?
381 2091. Okay.
I will memorize that number. I will.
Okay. Okay. And I all I have to say now, thank you very much, and looking forward to see you with the children, and looking forward to receive donation from you
Yeah.
for our children here. We appreciate everything you can do. We love you and thank you.